third become bank management. Corporate fraud meaning. Till the commencement of the Companies Act 2013, the term fraud has not been defined in the Indian laws. Even the Indian Penal Code does not touch upon the fraud directly. Generally, corporate fraud means the activities done by an individual or company in a dishonest or illegal manner. It is an act of deception and intentional concealment, omission, or prevention of truth to gain unlawful advantage, induce another to part with some valuable item or surrender a legal right or inflict injury in some manner. First time in the Indian corporate history, the Government of India has provided the definition of fraud in the Companies Act 2013. Protecting your business from scams. Type of scam, how to prevent it. Phishing and email scams. Watch out for unsolicited emails and don't share sensitive information. Return and refund scams. Keep track of inventory and returned package. Money fraud. Train employees to recognize counterfeit currency. Invoice and payment frauds. Verify vendor information before making payments. Employee fraud. Audit and monitor assets and sensitive information. How to prevent fraud? Guard your passwords. Treat your passwords like private keys. Avoid predicatable options like birthdays or pet names, opting for a complex mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Watch out for calls. Be wary of unsolicited sales emails and texts, especially those offering too good to be true deals. Phishing schemes are common. Secure your system. Update your software regularly from your operating system to your apps. These updates often patch security vulnerabilities, making your digital walls harder to breach. Monthly bank reconciliation procedures. Require reconciliation by an independent person without bookkeeping or checking responsibilities or ensure supervisory review. The importance of fraud prevention. Fraud prevention, mitigating financial losses, identifying red flags, enhancing customer experience, case study, tips for effective fraud prevention. Thank you.